Good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog. We have parts for the Mazda RX7. As you can see, I've used the BMW M4 as a transporter. This is the front diffuser for the FD GT3 kit because we didn't get to install it last time because it didn't come with the kit. I didn't find out that it has a special order added on to the kit. So this is the front lower diffuser along with the side canards and then the side signal lights. If you guys haven't seen the FD GT3 RX7 build live in Carrera Cafe, you guys should definitely check it out. It's one of our better performing videos. Go and comment on that video. But today we're going to be working on the FD RX7. I have some brakes in the back. Mad Mike basically told me you should get the Project Mu brakes with the built-in caliper for hand braking, and then along it's basically one 4-piston caliper, 2 pistons are for braking, and then the 2 pistons are for handbrake. It's built into one caliper, so we're gonna try to install that. They have the rear Lexan glass also on the car, and they've been trying to install that also. And finally, we figured out what was wrong with the fueling system. The third fueling port was basically open, so both fuel pumps would just send fuel back into the third fueling port, which meant we weren't getting any fuel pressure. So I didn't think we needed to get the fuel lines cleaned, but we did. Can barely reach my shift knob. Waze says we're about an hour and 11 minutes out, and we're trying to do a time warp video also, so give a different shot. We gotta stop for gas sometime within the trip. This thing corners so well with all the mods in the tires. Prot. Okay, parts are here for the RX7 and we'll get straight to work. Okay, we are unboxing the Project Mu. So as I was mentioning, these brakes were suggested by Mad Mike because one caliper has 2 inputs, so you can have your handbrake and your brake. Problem is these are for Nissan Silvia. They don't make it for Mazda, so I don't know how we're going to retrofit everything in it, but the guys here fabricate everything and the car is running already. They said they got the fueling system to work. So we're gonna open these kits and show you guys what's inside. The 4-piston brake, but the input for each side is different. This is the canard for the bumper. So this is the signal light that we were missing. Basically that signal light goes right there, and we're gonna have the boys black out the chrome ring. I don't like that, and put it in over there, and it's nice. It's the shape of a rotary. So we're finally dropping the rear wheel so that we can test fit the brake caliper. Hopefully we don't run into some issues where the caliper is going to hit the rim or the barrel, and I hope not. But the nice thing is the Silvia share the same bolt pattern with the Mazda RX-7. Hopefully the offset from the bell housing, or sorry, the rotor hub height will be roughly the same because, God, this took me so long to get the fitment right. We don't have any more spacers in the back, and we're gonna find out. Fingers crossed, wish me luck. So usually when you're converting brakes, you just need a different carrier, which is this guy right here. So I have a caliper, we're checking for depth, and that's our depth, and the problem is we have a space. Bolt on? Okay, that's gonna be a problem. The space, looks like we have a lot of space. Can't get more JDM than Project Mu. We're gonna test fit the mags just to be sure. Just hang it on and we're gonna look at the profile. Yes! Maybe, I mean, yeah, I think that's good. I think we're good. Just being extra cautious. Okay, whew. Safe, super safe. Verdict, this is aluminum. We're gonna cut the ears off and re-weld new ears so that we can use the same carrier and just basically bolt everything on. Should be a quick job, except they gotta remove this whole thing. Let's try to do a test start so you guys can see and hear this beautiful, and we have no power. power again. I wonder what's happening. It's so weird. The fuel pump's finally working, and I don't know if our BCM is acting up. I need to figure out. According to Mark, he's moved the wiring from the computer management off the PDM onto a relay and ignition, so that should be working. I don't understand exactly why we're not firing up. We do have power. We do hear the fuel pumps running, and we'll troubleshoot this real quick and start it up right back. Okay, apparently we don't have any fuel pressure. Okay, test fire again. Clear. Eardrums, headphone users, beware. That is sounds so good. Team here in Classic Speed, amazing. This is gonna make it September 30, Mazda Day. Don't forget, we're going to have an amazing first run. I can't believe it. High five. Thank you. Galing. Galing. All right. Wow. Okay, next up is we're gonna change the oil because we put the wrong oil in it. We're gonna drain everything. Motul is now our sponsor. Thank you so much to Motul Philippines. Give them a follow on Instagram. We're gonna drop some 300V in here. Finish the rear, finish the handbrake, finish the rear Lexan glass, put on the front bumper, put on the diffuser, and go for a shakedown. Oh my god, I need to bring Chino just to make sure everything's on point. But wow, 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 wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll go walk around the shop just to add some more content, but this was the highlight of everything. I can't believe it. It's finally almost running. I think we're only revving to like 8,000 RPM and like maybe 50-60% throttle. We're running out of fuel already. It's letting the muffler burn in, letting the heat run through the engine, just checking everything. We need a new battery. We're gonna call our sponsors Varta. Varta's gonna get us a new battery for this car. And then after that, shakedown. Chino's gonna come back. We'll do a dyno. And maybe our dyno, actually we have a new hub dyno coming to Classic Speed. Maybe on Friday it's gonna be here. We can set it up and do a dyno run. See how much power we're getting from this beautiful 26P 4 rotor. You guys don't understand how happy this makes me. We're going to leave the car now. The car will also make it to Manila Auto Salon. So if you guys want to see the car in person, Manila Auto Salon, you're gonna get to see that. Too bad we can't start it in the Manila Auto Salon because they're gonna get mad at us. Beautiful Cobra right behind me, getting some service. My Rally Evo, I think we're gonna bring that to Manila Auto Salon also. And then some more cars behind me. I'm gonna do a quick update later. For now, I'm gonna go upstairs, hydrate, and just smile. Boys removed the rear setup already. We're gonna go check it out. So they cut the ears off already. How good is that? The guys here are so fast. They're doing it already. I'm gonna have my lunch so that we can get out of here. It's lunch break now, so it means we can do a update with what's happening on the floor, but actually won't go around everything because we're basically busy trying to finish cars. That definitely, Chino got it running. We have an AFR already. Gonna shake that down soon. This is a Carporn Racing client. Just a fresh repaint. We're waiting for tires. We ordered tires from Hong Kong. Cobra's just here for checkup. and I'm just excited for my cars. That is hot! Okay, I think we're going to end the vlog. I hope you guys were not disappointed with this week's episode, and wow, that was fun. We were just revving the FD 4-rotor RX7 for like 7,000, 8,000 RPM, and we still have a few more RPMs to go. It's up to 11,000 now. I want to thank the team here at Clark Speed for doing such an amazing job. We're going to be changing the oil to the Motul 300V, and then after that, when they finish the brakes, I'm going to come back and we're going to do a test drive right here. It's going to be so insane. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll see you guys again soon. Peace.